source the code. Now, I'm not talking about source parentheses and then the file name, but instead I'm talking about using devtools and then load underscore all parentheses. This will bring into our environment all of the functions in the hot chicken package. But you'll notice up at the top in the environment panel that the function definition isn't there. If we go underneath the global environment, you'll see that we've effectively sourced the hot chicken package. And as we start to work on it and modify things, we'll always make sure that we're using the latest version of our package instead of using a function definition that wasn't previously changed. So after we do that, we also want to use devtools : document. This will actually create the documentation for our package. If we go one step back from our R folder that we were in to the hot chicken folder, which is the name of our package, you'll see that we've added in the man folder. And in the man folder, we have this code_missing.rd file that if we grab it and let's see if I can pull it out, we now have sort of this generated help documentation file from our inline Roxygen code. So let's close that and go back over. After we do that, it might be useful to also check our package. So we can use devtools check parentheses. And you'll notice that once this process begins, we can see all of the different sort of sanity checks for what makes a good package a good package. We really want to have 0 errors, 0 warnings, and 0 notes if our package is to be added onto CRAN. So you should check your package often and ensure that everything works properly. Now, the next part is we probably actually want to install the package. So previously, when we were using load underscore all, we never really were building it and adding it to our official R package sort of library, but it was just going into this development part. So if we type out, again, devtools : install parentheses, what will happen is we'll build the package and install it, so it will forever be available to us underneath our package list. So if I go ahead and I type out hot chicken, notice how hot chicken is present.